Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Learning Buddy, your own learning buddy. So mommies and dear kids, आज के हमारे phonics learning वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कुछ और लेटर के sounds. Like you know, we have divided our letters in some groups. In some sets we have divided them, and as per the group we are learning their sounds. So as of now, in our set 1 or group 1, we have learned the sounds of the alphabet S, A, T, P. Then further in set 2, we have learned the sounds for the letters I, N, M, D. Then in set 3, we have learned the sounds for the letter G, O, C, K. And we have also learned the difference between the sound C and K. Now, we will learn our next set sound, that is set 4. And in set 4, we will be covering the letters H, B, F and L. So that means that today we will be learning the sounds of letters H, B, F and L. So let's start. So our first letter is letter H. The sound of letter H is H. Sound of letter H is H. Now let us see some examples. H, H. Hat. H, H. Hat. H, H. Honey. H, H. Honey. H, H. House. H, H. House. H, H. Horse. H, H. Horse. H, H. Head. H, H. Head, and so on. So we have learnt that letter H gives us the sound H. Letter H gives us the sound H. So H, hat, H, honey, H, house, H, horse, H, head. We will not say the name of the letter, that is H, hat, H, honey. No, we will say the sound of letter H, that is H. H, H, hat, H, H, honey, and so on. Okay. Now next, see the next letter. Our next letter is letter B. Letter B. And sound of letter B is B. Sound of letter B is B. Now let us see some examples. B, B. Bat. B, B. Bat. B, B. Boy. B, B. Boy. B, B. Boat. B, B. Boat. B, B. Bird. B, B. Bird. B, B. Book. B, B. Book, and so on. So we have learnt the sound of our next letter B, and the sound of B is B. So how we will pronounce it? B, B, bat, B, B, boy, B, B, boat, B, B, bird, B, B, book. So again you must be noticing that I have said the sound of the letter and I am not saying the name of the letter, that is B. So you will not say B, B, bat. You have to say B, B, bat, B, B, boy. Like this. You have to learn the sounds. Let us see our next sound of next letter. Our next letter is letter F. And sound of letter F is F. Sound of letter F is F. Let us see some examples. F, fur, folk. F, fur, folk. F, fur, fire. F, fur, fire. F, fur, fox. F, fur, fox. F, fur, fish. F, fur, fish. F, fur, flower. F, fur, flower, and so on. So we have learnt that letter F gives us the sound F. Letter F gives us the sound F. So we will say F for folk, F for fire, F for fox, F for fish, F for flower. So here also just take care of this thing that we are not saying the name of the letter for these words. We are saying the sound of the letter, the beginning letter, that is letter F, which is giving us the sound F. Let us see our next letter. Our next letter is letter L. And letter L gives us the sound L. Letter L gives us the sound L. L. Let us see some examples. L, lion. L, lion. L, leaf. L, ladder. L, ladder. L, lemon. L, lemon. L, lady. L, lady, and so on. So L, lion, L, leaf, L, ladder, L, lemon, L, lady. So in all these words the beginning sound is L. That means letter L gives us the sound L. L. We will not say the name of the letter L, lion, no. For all the words you have to say the sounds of the beginning letter. H, B, F, L. So with this we have learnt our set 4 sounds for the letters H, B, F, L, which gives us the sound H, B, F, L. I hope you must have understood the sounds. I hope ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. In this video we have covered the sounds for the letters B, H, B, F and L, and we have also seen some examples. Just you have to take care that children are pronouncing the words with their beginning sounds and they are not pronouncing the name of the letter. That is the basic rule of phonics, that you have to pronounce with the sounds of the letter. और आप अपने बच्चों को ये चीज़ जो है डेली 10 to 15 मिनट्स प्रैक्टिस करवाइए. डेली प्रैक्टिस करने से ये उनकी जो ग्रिप है फोनिक्स पे वो और ज़्यादा बेटर होगी एंड दे विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द साउंड्स मच बेटर इन अ मच बेटर वे. सो दैट्स इट फ्रॉम टुडेज फोनिक्स लर्निंग वीडियो. आप लोग अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए साउंड्स की एंड आई विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी लर्निंग.